Well, hello everybody, welcome back to my studio. So glad you joined me today for another video. I hope you are all doing well. Now, today's video is all about my jelly prints, what I did with them. I mean, I still have a lot of jelly prints, you can see that clearly, but it wasn't just for this occasion that I do those jelly prints. I actually use them also in my paintings and whatnot. And I like to have sort of a stash where I just can pick and choose whatever I wanted. I did have left over a lot of blues and pinks, but not a lot of green and reds. So that's why I decided last time to do a session with just those colors. In case you have missed that video, I will put it down below in the description where it says show more. You can find the link and all the other information you need about anything about mixed media and more you can find there. Now I have an art journal page, and I think it's Dinah Wakely. It's either Dinah Wakely or Dilution. I always mix those two up. Also, I know they are very different, but I just never know which one is which. Anyway, I did start a new one. I really like the pages for collage and mixed media work, and the pages really stay flat, which I think it's really, especially if you want to do a double spread, I really like this kind of art journals if I don't do them myself. I do a lot of my art journals myself, but sometimes it is really neat just to grab a journal and start playing. As you can see, I did sort of a plant in a pot, and yeah, you're gonna see I did pick some other papers, deli papers or tissue papers also, along with those which I have made last time. So I'm not sure if the camera picks it up, but I don't know whether you can see here. I have to get oriented here. This sort of text shining through. If you see it in real, you really can clearly see that there is some text underneath. That are pieces from other prints I did. I did use also some darker green papers in some of the leaves, and yeah. So as always, collage takes a process that goes back and forth. You just try out things, and sometimes you are lucky and you get it right at the first time. This one was actually pretty straightforward, so it wasn't too difficult for me to finish up this page. Yeah. In the end, I went over with the black Stabilo All, which is water soluble, and did activate a little bit with the water tank brush. As always, it is a time lapse, but if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that are coming up. Now enjoy the rest of the video. Take care. Till next time. Bye.